Now only I started recording.
That's okay, sir. No problem. At least from floats onwards, I think, yeah. That's okay. Yeah, I made detailed notes, so that's fine.
You're making a note, no?
Yeah, I made detailed notes, so no problem. Yeah.
I started recording now. I actually forgot.
Yeah. That's fine, sir. Okay. At least the conversation, now, if it gets recorded, at least, I can, yeah, it'll be useful for me.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So this particular thing, like I was just telling, float after the production is over, there is a float one more cushion days I have given 2 days, because the law with over the completed production which is over, either it has to be it has to go to the customer, or it has to go to the next process customer. Next process customer means next department. Probably it might have to go there. So, but what happens is, so many times packing it might be pending. For some like data entry and all, it might be pending. SAP entry, it might be pending. So many things it might be pending there, and the lots are lying there. There are no cover, and sometimes there might be some rejection also. To compensate that rejection, we need to produce it again, and we have to qualify. Or sometimes what happens, rejection can be at least screened, and it can be reworked, and it can be made it acceptance, second time acceptance. Second time we offer the lot, probably it might get accepted. So those things again, cushion days I have given 2 days there.
Okay.
Oh, this is another shit here. It is telling running.
So we'll open another one. No problem.
Yeah, we'll open up another one. So what I was telling you is, like, there are cushion days for float after, and last finally release period. What happens is, even if you complete the packing production and it goes to the stores, or it has to go to the next process customer, or to this one again, going out of the company, or within the company some other plant, or within the plant some other department, again there might be releasing issues will be there. So that's the reason I given one more day cushion.
Okay.
Okay, you understood, no?
Yeah. So float after is so.
Float
sorry,
after
sir, can you come again?
within the department. Within
okay.
there are rejections. I need to take care of.
Okay.
Okay, so those
like quality control.
Quality issues might be there. I need to rework, or I need to produce something would have gone scrap. Then I need to produce it again now. So that's I given some cushion period there. Okay. Now yeah. So last is release period. Just give me some time.
Okay.
ನಂದೇ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Why you want IRCTC now? ಯಾವತ್ತು? ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ ಮಾಡೋ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. One sec, Venkat.
No problem, sir. Okay.
Yeah, some railway booking has to be done. You go to this one now. ಇಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ IRCTC. ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ 6495. ಪ್ರಾಣ ತಿಂತೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೀನಿ. Yeah. So what I was telling you,
so release period. Yeah.
There's a release period is there. Like this is float after is within the department, and float after this one is after the department. Like you need to go, that has to be delivered to a customer, no? Either he might be there inside the company, or he might be there outside the company. Either way, it has to be. So that cushion period I am giving one day there.
Okay.
Okay. So just enter and save this. Enter and so this completes the entire the configuration for what you call
MRP. Okay.
Now what we'll do is we'll create a database.
Okay. So this complete for PP, the entire configuration is over.
No.
Okay, that's fine. Okay.
Not even 15% to 20%.
Okay.
What you learned is just not even 20%.
Okay.
I'll be the most happiest person. If you tell me, if you tell that Naveen and team that he has completed, I'll be the most happiest person. No, but anyway.
Okay.
It's my responsibility also to make you equipped with this now. I'm just working. I'll just come. I'll just come. They are having some
Okay.
problem. I'll just come. I'll let her.
Okay. Okay.
2 minutes. I'll
Okay. No problem, sir.
Venkat.
Yeah.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
That's okay.
Yeah. What I was telling you is like this. I have completed the configuration for Metal Master only.
Okay.
Metal Master only. I completed the configurations, and now I have to create a master data, Metal Master data database. We need to create.
Okay.
Now what I will do is like we'll start creating now.
Okay.
No, are you available now?
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay, we'll create some 2 databases today.
Okay.
Okay, so what we'll do is
So what's the topic?
the topic is material master creation. Material master creation. Create metal master or creation of metal master. This is part 2. Part 1 was configuration for metal master. Part 2 is metal master creation.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Now this is in front end only. The backend configuration I have completed. We'll come to the front end now.
Okay.
So you can write down the path for this SAP menu.
Okay. SAP menu. Yeah.
Then logistics.
Okay. Logistics.
This sharing is going on and it is stopped.
Okay. No. It's going on. Yes. Logistics. Yes.
Yeah, I am not getting a screen here, so I was wondering.
No.
It's there. Yeah, because that one screen used to be there, but suddenly it has vanished. So I was surprised actually. SAP menu, then logistics,
Okay.
then production,
Production.
then master data,
Master data.
then material master,
Material master.
then material,
The material. Okay.
then I will tell you like what all you have to write. Write like this: MM01, put on hyphen.
MM01. Okay.
Put on hyphen.
Immediately.
No,
Okay.
don't worry about that. I'll tell you. MM01,
Okay.
you put on hyphen.
Okay.
Then next line. Next line you write down MM02, put again on hyphen.
Okay. MM02.
Yeah, put one
Okay.
hyphen. And one is MM03, put one hyphen.
Okay.
Then MM06, put one hyphen.
Okay.
Then MMAM, you put one hyphen.
Yeah.
Then MM60, you put one hyphen.
Okay.
MM60, yeah. Now you write down in front of MM01 is create material master actually. It's create material master. Create.
Create. Okay.
MM02 is change or edit.
Change. Okay.
Then MM03 is display.
Okay.
MM06 is flag for deletion.
Okay.
And MMAM is change material type.
Change material type. Okay.
And MM60 is material list.
Material list.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll come one by one. MM01 is if I'm going to create a material master, we need to use MM01. Hello.
Sorry, sir. Can we come again? MM?
MM01, if I'm going to create a material master database, I need to